Check out the caterpillar. He's all fuzzy. He's just moving along. Moving along. Look at his big head. It's right there. That's his head. He's looking around. Those are so cute. And there's my cat. And right now, like, all the trees and weather and stuff, it's just really nice. Everything's changing colors. My pepper plant literally exploded with peppers. You can even smell them. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at all those peppers. Got another little baby peppers here. And a bunch more over here. It's looking pretty good. Really proud of it. Some of them came out like this, some of them came out like this black purple color, and then some of them came out like red. They look great. Yeah, like that. But it was like the whole thing was like that dark color. It was neat. That's my huge carrot right there. I'm gonna pull that just before Halloween and make me a nice stew out of it. Pretty excited. It's gonna be huge. We got a few decorations up, but not much. But yeah. Been getting all these walnuts over here because there's a walnut tree out back. It's just big tree. But I'm gonna make some medicine out of that. It's they're black walnuts. Got a pumpkin there, but he's sad. Alright, I'm just saying hi. Hope you have a good day.